Good day, class. We want to continue our class on the topic of friction. I want to see how we calculate the coefficient of friction. See this damn question on the board. Said a motorcycle of mass 100 kilogram moves round in a circle of radius 10 meter with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Find the coefficient of friction between the road and the tire. Let's say G is equals to 10 meter per second square. Let's see all the parameters given in the question. Our mass 100 kilogram. It moves around a circle of radius. That radius is 10 meters and a velocity of 5 meter per second. So we have to calculate the coefficient of friction. So the coefficient of friction mu is F over R. But in this case, we are given that it moves around a circle of radius. So that means the best formula to calculate the force is mv squared over r. That's the centripetal force. And we have over r, which is mg. So since the mass are equal, mass and mass, we are left with v squared over r over g. So our velocity is 5. We have 5 times 5. Our radius is 5. Sorry. Our velocity is 5. Thank you. 10. That's 5 times 5. And our radius is 10 over our g is 10. So that will give you 25 over 10 times 1 over 10. So that will give you 25 over 100. And that will give you, if you move it 2 times, because of these two zeros, you get 0.25. Coefficient of friction has no unit. See you in my next video. Bye.